Captain Marley. Can you say hello? Can you say hello? Where are we? Are you not talking this morning? No? Are we on Hatteras? Ooh, buoy. Yeah. We're on sea trial number 2, right, Marley? We got Captain Marley. My dad is along, and my mother is Joni. Say hello. My mother's along. So, quick update on the last time we ran a sea trial. The port motor, which I rebuilt and installed, seemed like it was running fine, and then I had a problem with the starboard motor. That seemed to have overheated. Marley's going to drive the boat for us here. And the alternator bolt that set the tension on the alternator apparently snapped, and I found that in the bilge. It's never a good thing when you find new stainless steel stuff in the bilge. So that dropped the belt, which then dropped the water pump pulley, which I guess then overheated the boat, but it didn't do too bad. But when I opened it up, I found some antifreeze and stuff like that, kind of all over the place. So I corrected that, and now we're out on sea trial number 2. Everything seems to be running pretty well. We actually have steering today. That's good. Marley's on the helm. Can you say hi, Marley? Hi. So we're heading up to the Ravenel Bridge. We've got a cruise ship coming in, and that's going to be docking up in the Carnival Cruise Terminal, which is right about there. So we're going to run for about an hour here and see how well it goes. We have charter scheduled for the end of the week on this, and I'm heading back out tomorrow to bring that other boat back up to Long Island, which was why I have a break in between running the sea trials here. So from Captain Marley, we'll see you guys later.